On another note, the Prime Minister has praised Swazi Mobile Limited for ensuring that part of the company's shares are sold to the members of the public. The Prime Minister also praised one of the country's banks, which is reported to have set aside about 2 million or rather 200 million emalangeni for financing those interested in purchasing the shares. When Swazi Mobile Limited was unveiled as the company awarded a mobile operator license in the country, it announced that it will be selling part of its shares to members of the general public. During the official launch of the company, its chairman, Victor Kametse, reiterated that they will be selling 30% shares of the company to members of the public, and they will be listing the shares at the Swaziland Stock Exchange in May this year. The Prime Minister, Dr. Barnabas Sibusiso Dlamini, speaking during the launch of the company, said the good thing about Swazi Mobile is that it is a Swazi company, which will provide an opportunity to Swazis to own shares in it. The Prime Minister said it is pleasing to know that already there is a bank in the country that is reported to have set aside about 200 million emalangeni for Swazis who are interested in buying the shares to get loans, and he encouraged other banks to follow in the footsteps of the bank, which will be known in due course.
A further exciting dimension to the launch is that the new company will in due course provide the opportunity for Swazis to share successful corporate performance when Swazi Mobile Limited offers 33% of the shares to the public on our Swaziland stock market. It should, of course, be mentioned that a successful flotation of shares will require the general public being convinced of the profitability and potential of the company. But we all wish Swazi Mobile well in that respect. The growth of our Swaziland stock market relies on the kind of initiative and commitment shown by Swazi Mobile Limited. And the greater the number of company shares available in our stock exchange, to greater the investment opportunities for individuals and institutions in the country.
On another note, according to the Chief Strategy Officer of Swazi Mobile Limited, Jeff Penn-Burton, the company will provide about 300 job opportunities in the next 12 months. Penn-Burton revealed that the company has invested about 600 million emalangeni for it to start operating in July this year, and will continue to invest more money in the next 5 years. Sibusiso Ngubane, Swazi TV News, Zulu.